hair transplant can take care of the scalp scars. So we can treat scalp scars by putting transplanted hair into the scar to make it less visible or invisible. I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi from Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. Today I'm going to go over everything you need to know about a scalp scar treatment using hair transplant. So we're going to go over a young lady who had a burn scar on the top of the scalp. So she has beautiful hair, but when she's parting here in the middle, she has this relatively large size scar. So we want to remove hair from the back. What we're going to be doing, we're going to do FUE procedure, shaving one band from the back, and that will be covered, and we'll remove the grafts from that area. But before that, we're going to make sites. We're going to give her numbness, make small incisions that when we remove the grafts, put them back in. So the whole process shouldn't take that long, but it will be under local anesthesia and sedation. So this is the scar area. We're going to make the dense packing for sites here. We're going to make a lot of sites here, like very compact, and we're going to remove hair from the back and place them in front. So let's get going. You should not feel any of this. If you feel anything, just let me know and I'll give you more local, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 33, 34.
So the grafts are coming out very nicely. In a little bit we're going to start placing them into the sites that we already made.